We will now groove the part using multiple chains. Groove toolpaths are used for machining indented or recessed areas that cannot be machined by roughing toolpaths or tools. In the general area, expand the gallery. Then select Groove. Set the groove definition to multiple chains. One point allows the user to select points from the graphics area to identify a groove. 2 points allows you to specify a groove by indicating the top corner of the groove and the point in the lower opposite corner. 3 lines allows you to select 3 lines from the graphics screen to define the groove shape. Chain allows you to chain a more complex shape to define a groove by chaining on-screen geometry. Multiple chains allows you to chain multiple grooves by chaining on-screen geometry. When point selection is set to manual, this allows you to manually select points from the graphics window. Window point selection allows you to create a window in the graphics area and chains all of the points within the window. Press OK. The chaining method should be partial by default. Zoom in. Select this entity and then this one. Select this entity and then this one. Then press OK. Select the OD Groove Center Medium tool and enter the comment, machine the grooves using the multiple chains method. Select Groove Shape Parameters and enable Use Stock for outer boundary. Select Groove Rough Parameters. Cut direction determines the direction that the tool will rough the groove. This can be positive, negative, bidirectional alternating, bidirectional positive first, bidirectional negative first, or chain direction. Leave it at bidirectional alternating. Stock clearance determines the point up to which the tool retracts after each pass. Stock amount sets the remaining stock left by the previous operation. Stock to leave in X and Z sets the remaining stock in those axes after the tool completes all roughing passes. Rough step sets the amount of material to be removed with each roughing pass. It can be set as a number of steps, a step amount, or as a percentage of the tool width. Back off percent sets how far the tool backs away from the wall of the groove before it retracts. Make sure stock to leave in X and Z are both 0.005. Stock clearance is 0.1. Rough step is percent of tool width 75%. And back off percent is 20. Select Groove Finish Parameters. Make sure Finish is enabled. Multiple passes are set to complete all passes on each groove. Finish step over is 0.1. Stock to leave in X and Z are 0. Overlap between passes is 0. And then select Lead In. Under First Pass Lead In, set the fixed direction to Tangent. Tangent creates a tangent entry vector to the first move in the finish pass to allow the tool to smoothly engage into the groove. Select Second Pass Lead In and set it to Tangent. Then press OK and press OK again to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. Press OK. Select all operations and click Verify. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to top and toggle the toolpath displays off.